What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we are checking out this Glassnode on-chain data here. The number of addresses with a non-zero balance are increasing dramatically. So there are more addresses holding Bitcoin out there. We'll be checking this out. Also, the Bitcoin balance on exchanges still decreasing, guys. So this means that the price should be going up for the next few months. Also, we'll be checking out the Bitcoin price breaking major resistance. Also, Ethereum breaking major resistance. Will this hold our support? We're going to discuss some different levels. And if you are interested in trading this, you can do it on PrimeXbt, guys. PrimeXbt is one of my favorite platforms for day trading, okay? If you use my link in the description, you'll be getting 50%. In addition, if you use Bitcoinsensus 50 as the promotion code. We'll be also taking a look at Xrp going absolutely ballistic, guys. It looks like that we want to have a nice retracement for Xrp. We'll be taking a look at this also in today's episode. So make sure to smash up the like button and let's go straight into the video. Hello there, Andy here, and welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus, where you subscribe for the quickest technical analysis and news on Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and the financial markets. I'm not a financial advisor, so don't buy or sell anything that I say, and if you do so, do your own research. And said this, let's go straight into the charts. On this Glassnode chart, we can see the addresses with a non-zero balance are increasing dramatically. In the orange here is the number of addresses going parabolic, and in the black we can see the Bitcoin price. Okay, there was a moment here where the number of addresses went parabolic in late 2017. The price also went parabolic, but it peaked right over here in late 2017, and the number of addresses was decreasing because they were selling it to the exchanges. Okay, and then the price of Bitcoin went down and sideways for a long period of time, 2018 and 2019 and part of 2020. So now we can see that we are going parabolic on the number of addresses and also the Bitcoin price, not as much, but we can see from this other chart that the BTC balance on exchanges is decreasing dramatically. Okay, since the beginning of 2020, in the orange is the number of Bitcoin, which was over 3 million BTC in early 2020. On Binance, on Kraken, on Coinbase, all these other exchanges had a total supply of 3 million in total. Okay, and it's been decreasing for the last few months since the beginning of 2020. We can see in April now it is decreasing also very, very fast. And the Bitcoin price is having a nice increase, but it's going sideways at the moment. So are we preparing for another jump to the upside? Here we can see also the balance on exchanges. Okay, all exchanges. In the orange, okay, is the balance on exchanges since mid 2016, okay, all the way till April of 2021 right now. And we can see the balance on exchanges here decreasing and the price starting to pick up in late 2016. But there was a moment in 2017 where the balance on exchanges was increasing and the price was also increasing. So they were both going up, but it seems like that the demand was stronger than the supply until late 2017, where the price peaked and the supply was still increasing. So the supply was outperforming the demand in late 2017. But now we can see in early 2020, the supply going down, decreasing, and the price shooting up. Okay, so will there be a moment where the actual supply still goes up, but the demand is going to be strong with all these institutions and all this global sentiment, cryptocurrency sentiment? Will there be a moment where there is going to be supply going up on exchanges, but the demand is going to be so strong that the price will still be going up with the supply also increasing, like in early 2017 till late 2017, as you can see here on the chart? Let me know in the comment section, are we close to the peak in this bull cycle? Will the price of Bitcoin go to $100,000, $200,000? Let me know in the comment section, because maybe the supply is going to increase on exchanges and the price is still going to increase because the demand is going to outperform the supply also, even though the supply is going to increase on the exchanges, guys? Let me know in the comment section. Let's go straight into the price of Bitcoin on the chart. Taking a look at the 1 hourly chart, we can see that Bitcoin broke with a huge amount of volume the $60,000 range, okay, with this huge green candle on the 1 hourly chart. We did try to break $60,000 for the last couple of weeks, and we did not manage to break. As you can see here, I'll show you with the arrows, okay. This green box area is the $60,000 area, okay. We had multiple attempts and we failed, as you can see here on the chart, okay. And there's another one right over here. And now we managed to break above it nicely with a decent amount of volume, okay, guys. Remember, it is Saturday, so usually we want to see this volume during the week, okay. There's going to be more people trading and buying Bitcoin than on the weekend. But anyway, it is valid. So we've broken out the $60,000 range. Remember, we were talking about this symmetrical triangle breaking to the downside. We managed to get supported nicely from this huge ascending wedge, okay, support, as you can see right here. And if we zoom in, okay, this has been major resistance point, and now it should turn into support, okay, and we've got a huge amount of volume. Let's go to the 15-minute chart, and here we can see that we are forming like a bull pennant, like a bull flag. Okay, so supposedly we should continue to the upside, and look how much volume there was in this pump. So this breakout is totally valid, and the $60,000 range, which we already had a bounce here, as you can see, should hold nicely. Okay, so this could have a consolidation phase for the next few hours. Okay, and we should pump again to the upside. The charts say that we are going to continue up, and the $60,000 range should hold nicely. I wouldn't turn bearish, but it is the weekend, guys. You know, if someone comes and sells a huge amount of Bitcoin, we could actually drop below the $60,000. But there is a lot of volume, okay? There is buying pressure, there is demand. So this is a clear bull flag. So we should be breaking to the upside after having this consolidation phase. Okay, this is what the price is telling me. This is what the charts is telling me. Price action, volume, support, resistance. Let's go and see the Ethereum price. Ethereum is also looking extremely bullish. Remember, we were talking about also this ascending triangle, and I was telling you that the most likely scenario would be bouncing here and continuing to the downside because there was no volume at all coming in. Okay, so the demand was going down, and we actually broke the support area and also broke this resistance right over there. So this is actually holding nice. Will it hold nice? Well, we need now the bulls to come back in for another leg up. It looks like that we are forming also a bull pennant or like a kind of bull flag. We'll be checking this out on the 15-minute chart now. But as you can see, the support here from this ascending triangle was holding nicely there. We were kind of getting rejected, and I told you it was time for the bulls to actually break this support area to continue to the upside. If not, we will have a massive drop to retest this support, and the bulls actually came in and broke even the support, the resistance here from the old all-time high. So now the new all-time high is around the 2,210 levels right over here. And we have a decent amount of volume. Let's take a look at the 15-minute chart. We can see on the 15-minute chart, okay, the breakout from this support, from this resistance area has been huge. Okay, decent amount of volume. So great, you know, there's demand, a lot of volume here. So absolutely great. Now we're having this consolidation phase. It looks like that we are forming a kind of bull pennant or a bull flag. You could discuss here, as you can see right there. So this could be a continuation pattern. Okay, we might see this, all of this being a pull. Okay, and if we break out, you know, we could have another leg up to the $2,280 range. It is the weekend. You know, it is very, very risky to trade on the weekend because there's not many traders. Now somebody can come in and sell loads amount of Ethereum or Bitcoin, and the price will drop here from this level. We want to see this during the week where there's more volume, there's more traders, there's more people buying on exchanges, okay? But this support area should hold nicely, guys, as you can see here on the chart. Okay, there was been multiple attempts to break this area, and now we broke above it, and it has had a one bounce now, and we might come lower and then continue to the upside. You know, the charts are saying that we should continue up. All right, we've broken major resistance and we should be continuing to the upside, but it is the weekend, so stay very, very cautious if you are trading, guys. Remember, Bitcoin and Ethereum can be tradable on PrimeXbt, so I'll be leaving a link in the description. As you know, if you use my promotion code Bitcoinsensus50, you're getting 50% in addition of what you deposit. Let's take a look at XRP, which can be traded on Bybit and Femix, guys, not on PrimeXbt. So there's also links in the description. You'll be getting the best bonus available if you're interested in trading XRP. We were talking about this for the last couple of days, this symmetrical triangle, okay, looking very, very bullish. You know, if we are coming from an uptrend and we are forming a symmetrical triangle, the most likely scenario would be breaking to the upside, and we actually did. As you can see here, XRP went ballistic. Okay, the measured move is getting the width of the triangle. Okay, and from the breakout, we actually, you know, surpassed the target. Look how we've met the target nicely here for XRP that we were talking about for the last couple of days. XRP looking very, very bullish. We should see a nice consolidation phase for XRP now after going ballistic here, as you can see on the chart. So we should have a nice retracement, you know, create an accumulation phase just like we did here, potentially forming another pattern and continuing to the upside. We'll have to wait for the next coming days, guys, to see XRP what kind of pattern is forming, because it's just gone parabolic right now. It's very risky here to go long, for example, for the price of XRP. And this is going to be it for today's episode, guys. Thank you very much for tuning in. Make sure to check out the Bitcoinsensus website. We've got great tutorials and reviews on how to buy and how to store Bitcoin safely. We've got the latest news and technical analysis, so I'll be leaving a link in the description so you can check it out. And if you haven't seen my PrimeXbt tutorial, I'll be leaving a video popping up on your screen. And a massive thank you for tuning in. Make sure to smash up the like button on your way out, and I'll see you in the next one.